Hello everybody, and welcome to Dog 7 News. Today we are looking at a tornado in the southwestern region. Let's get a close-up on that. Joe?
Today.
Well, that was a little weird. Let's try to get a close-up on that tornado again.
Today we are.
Okay, maybe that's just a coincidence. Joe 3.
Today we were actually.
Well, I think we need to get some police on that. Joe 4.
Today I'm really getting tired of stabbing.
Well, I don't think we can get any intel on what's happening. Join us tomorrow and...
Sup, it's me, Yolanda. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.